Staycation. It's my first day off in a 60-hour, 5-minute shout, 7-day charade. Hooray for getting paid. But my family says you never hear the kids are raising themselves when you get home. You're someone else, someone who could really use a break. You could be fishing on a lake if you waste your life just trying to survive. Well, that ain't living. Before you know it, your kids are 45. Let's do some backyard camping, spin you around, do some dining room dancing, make sweet love in our driveway, in our car, pretend we live in Hawaii, getting late, babe, you're making me crazy, we don't even have to go that far, throw it on the grill, wrap it up in bacon in paradise on this staycation. Boss man called Sunday morning without a warning. He asked if I'd come in. I said no way. I told him to go to heaven. No amount of money adds up to wealth. Even with insurance, you won't have help. When I leave home, my sanity's at stake. How many sick days can I take to do some backyard camping, spin you around, do some dining room dancing, make sweet love in our driveway, in our car, pretend we live in Hawaii, getting late, babe, Jamaica.
Lóng quẩn đu, nghiêng cái lóng quẩn.
Jom baca doa nama kan.
Jom baca doa, baca doa. Parti tak ada?
Ya tu.
Ya tu. Okey, jom.
Baca doa Abi.
Alright, jom.
Jangan bersyukur dengan pemberian rezeki semua.
We don't even have to go that far. Throw it on the grill, wrap it up in bacon in paradise. Staycation. Just like an eagle, let that spirit carry me. Oh, oh, I want to fly. Oh, just like an eagle. Oh, don't you know time keeps on slipping, slipping, slipping into the future. You only get so much. Don't you know time keeps on slipping, slipping, slipping into the future? Don't you waste a minute of it, no. Well, we're all free. The mighty dollar is something that we need to breathe. Tick tock, the clock goes around in spite of me. Please believe, oh, there's more to life than money. Do some backyard camping, do some dining room dancing, make sweet love in your driveway, in your car.